And now we're back dito sa ating stalking time, ang favorite segment ng lahat, no? Kung saan pwedeng makichismis ng hindi nagtatanong. Sa mga kapitbahay, sa mga friends, sa kahit na sino, no? Or dun mismo sa taong intensyon ninyo. So, alam niyo naman ang ating drill. Pwede niyong isipin ng person na yan, no? Ngayon, habang ako ay dumadaldal at nagsha-shuffle, pero pwede niyo rin naman na i-pause pansamantala ang video na ito, no? Para makapag-focus kayo dyan sa person na yan. And yung iba na wala rito na specific person pero ang intention naman ninyo no, is gusto nyong i-stalk ang inyong future love, then we can also do that. So I hope makuha ko yung energies, no? Kumbaga sinong pinakamalakas na energy siyang mahahagip. So yan ang ating aalamin. So yun yung mga babes, no? Wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. At kung hindi nyo pa knows, meron pa tayong other channel, link ay nandyan sa ating description box. Kaya kung interesado, ay click lamang yung link na yan para mapunta kayo doon. At meron tayong mga collective readings na ina-upload din doon. No? At kung ang tanong ninyo ay kung meron din ba tayo dong stalking time segment, yes, no, meron ditong stalking time, here, there, everywhere. So, just take how this resonates. Let us see what do we have here for you guys. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can you please show me messages from my collective people? What does my viewer, yan, kung sino mang nakatitig ngayon sa kanyang screen, anong kailangang malaman ng aking viewer sa taong ito? Can you please show me any messages right here involving my collective people? Let us shuffle both decks and make latag everything before we start talking, okay? Pero kanina ka pa dumadaldal, Miss Yan, no? Yeah, I know. I'm pertaining with your reading, okay? So, let us see. You have here the snake. Oh, Imuki. You also have here the healing heart. Present din dito for you guys, the karmic relationship. You also have here not today. The golden mirror here for you guys. Both is also present in this reading of yours. And you also have here this date. And dito din po ang kiss on the ring. And bottom of the deck, we have here the love call. Ayan. So, lagay na natin yun dito. Now, let's see from the tarot para dire-diretso yung ating kwentuhan. No? Yung iba, kuha muna kayo dyan. Timpla muna kayong kape. O mag-juice muna kayo. Ano? Okay, let us see. Can you please tell me more? Okay. Once again, thank you so much, Archangel Michael, Angel Guides. We have here the Hermit, Justice. We also have here for you guys this Deception. Here then present, no? Lover's card energy. The Fairy Godmother, Empress energy, and bottom of the deck we have here the Magician. Beautiful energy. Okay, let me fix our lighting. Yan, okay na ba? Yan. Okay. Tamang urong lang sa lampshade. So, yun nga mga babes, no, let's talk about this, no? So, nakikita ko rito, no, that you're dealing here with someone na yung inyong previous na naka-in relationship, no, is your karmic relationship, no? Kaya ito ay sobrang sakit. So, itong person na 'to 'no, iniwan kayo 'no, and this person here is yes, hindi niyo maitatago, laman pa rin siya rito ng inyong isipan. Although, meron kayo ritong galit sa kanya 'no. You're not really, holding grudge like gusto niyo siyang sakalin or whatever 'no, pero may galit 'no. And kaya hindi niyo siya rito maalis sa inyong isipan 'no, it is because for you, it feels fresh pa rin yung nagawa niya rito sa inyong hindi maganda way back before, no? In the presence of Imoki right here, no, or this snake, it looks like, no, someone here ay mas ipinanalo niya rito kaysa yung ipinanalo niya kayo, no? So, maybe someone here won na hindi dapat nanalo sa past, no? Pero kasi, kailangan niyo na manalo. Bakit? Kasi kung sino man ito, no, nakadil ninyo na guy, woman, LGBTQs, no, kakarmic nyo kasi siya. So, nakita ko dito na ito ay gumagaling na. Although, meron pa rin parang mga memories from the past na nagre-resurface or nagbabalik rito that made you think about this person, remember, no? Yung mukha niya rito kahit ayaw ninyong alalahanin, no? And for some reason, nakita ko ng energy rito na meron kayo ritong makikilalang bago pero halos resemblance niya ang inyong ex, no? So, nakita ko rito, no, na, yeah, you're not being judgmental, pero nakikita ko ritong ire-reject mo siya, no? Dahil ayaw mong maalala yung ex mo sa kanya, no? Baka kahawig siya or maaaring kamukha siya. Yes, yung next mong makikilala, pero yung iba pwedeng nakilala nyo na ito ngayon, no? Pero nakikita ko rito na nakikita mo yung itsura ng ex mo or kung hindi man yung itsura itself, pwedeng may mga pareha silang mannerism, galawan, body language, behavior, na nagpapaalala sa'yo sa ex mo. So, nakikita ko rito, no, na i-reject mo siya, no? Pero alam mo kung anong funny about that person? Hindi lang pala yung mannerism, hindi lang pala yung behavior at galawan ng person mo or yung itsura or may resemblance yung itsura niya sa ex-person mo, kundi pati na rin ang kataksilan dito. Okay, that new person, no, na makikilala mo next sa iyong ex, no, nakahawig ng ex mo ay kaparehas rin pala. Para silang kambal, no? Kaparehas rin pala ang kanila ritong ugali, no? So, ibig sabihin, with the kiss on the ring, eh, sinunod ninyo ang kutob ninyo na i-reject yung tao na yon kahit new person yun. Bakit? Kasi lumalabas dito na yung tao na yon, mga babes, no, ay i-involve lang rin kayo sa isang third party situation, no? I'm picking up the word one night stand. Yes, this word right here. Okay. So kung ano man ito, no, nakikita ko rito na this person's some kind of a player. So parang this is you, sinunod mo yung instinct mo. Others call it instinct, kutob, no? Pero that's your intuition talking to you. So, okay, that bagong tao na darating, no, is definitely a red flag. Okay, that's why it's something here na parang gusto mo siyang i-reject, no? And the universe really gave you a clear sign, no, na hindi lang ito basta kahawig ng iyong ex-lover or ex-partner, pero parehas lang rin kayo na posibleng pagdaanan with this new person right here, no? But that new person isn't the one meant for you, okay? There's someone here na darating sa inyong life, and this one is your true calling sa love. Look at that here, oh. Someone expresses love, no? And I love the fact na marami ritong heart, no? So, this person here, no, speaking of love, and, naamoy ko yung soul niya rito, no? Mabango, no, mga babes, no? Mabango, no? And this is some kind of an energy right here, no? Na nakikita ko rito na lahat ng mga sasabihin niya is really, coming from his or her heart. This person here gave that kind of feeling sa akin, no, na pwede nyo siya ritong pagkatiwalaan, no. So, this person right here is someone na makaka-receive kayo ng unconditional love coming from him or her. No? This is the new person, no, na darating after that first new person, no. na dumating sa inyong life, no? Nagets niyo ba mga babes, no? So, after ninyo, no, dun sa inyong ex, may darating na kamukha niya. So, or nagre-resemblance sa kanyang ugali, no? So, hindi pa siya yon, no? Yung susunod dun, no? That is your true calling when it comes to love, no? So, nakikita ko that with the both energy, this person here might be arriving late in your life, but this person right here, paano arriving late, Miss Yan? Yan ba yung parang uugod-ugod na ako, Miss Yan? Or ano, matanda na ako, Miss Yan, ganyan. Hindi ganon, no? But you will feel like na parang halos lahat ng mga friends mo are getting married, or halos lahat ng mga friends mo are parang nasa in relationship na, no, yun, no? So, you feel like na pag-iiwananan ka, no? But this person right here is someone who just arrived in time, no, sa inyong life. The golden mirror is that reflection that this person right here had gone through a lot of difficult situations in his or her past experiences sa life niya. But this person here, no, is someone na nakikita ko rito na because of those things, natutunan niyang i-handle yung situations ng life, kung paano talaga i-deal yung life, no? So, nakita ko that this person here is coming in mature, and this person here with the healing heart is someone na nakikita kong makikilala mo at buong-buo na siya sa mga oras na yon, no? So, tamang-tama lang talaga yung dating niya rito, no? Pero alam mo kung anong nakakaloka? May mga nauna mga naging magkaroon ng relationship yung mga kaibigan mo, mga pinsan mo, mga kasabayan mo nung college, high school yan, no, bla bla bla, 'di ba? Pero nakikita ko na meron pa rin sa inyong mauuna pa kayong ikasal kesa sa kanila. Tingnan mo nga naman. And that's the will right here. That's something here that, okay, hindi ko nakikitang iyayabang mo, no? Pero this is you, mga babes, no? You will feel this kind of feeling, no? Na definitely love will arrive if you're fully ready, no, in receiving this. And look at that, no? I'm seeing you na mauuna pa kayong ikasal rito sa kung sino man yung mga kaibigan ninyong naunang magkaroon ng relationship, mga pinsan ninyong naunang magkaroon ng relationship, mga kasabayan ninyong nakapag-asawa na rito, whatever, no? You will be into this type of energy that you will feel so happy that your person right here just arrived, no, in your life, no, wherein you're prepared, no? And if this is you, you're praying, Lord, may trabaho naman ako, permanent naman yung trabaho ko rito. Regardless of your religion, we do not have any religion right here, but I do respect each and everyone's religion. I know we only have one God. Okay, so no matter who you call it, okay, or what you call this God of yours, okay, alam kong isa lang tayo ng Panginoon. So, you're praying right here, no, na, Lord, meron na ako, stable na yung life ko, love life na lang, and whatever, no, ito na yun. Okay? This is what you prayed for right here, no? So, marami ditong sinasabi mga friends mo, dami-daming fishes on the sea daw, or parang meron daw ditong mga options naman dyan, no? Pero, alam mo kung ba't wala kang mapili nun? Alam mo kung ba't wala kang makita, wala kang ma-feel na ganon? Eh, dahil hindi sila yung the one. Eh, ano, kesyo marami mga isda dyan, no? Tulingan, bangus, milkfish, no, galunggong, gigi, whatever. Okay? Kahit anong mga fishes pa yan, no? If wala dyan yung fish mo, wala talaga rito, no, nagugustuhin ka na manatili sa lambat mo. 'Di ba? So, you're letting go of these fishes because wala talaga sila ritong nababive ka, no? Na ito na yung the one ko. No? But this one coming in into your life is definitely your one and only big fish. This is one good catch right here for you guys. And with the fairy godmother, this is the universe granting you this Empress energy. I'm seeing a lot of pumpkins right here. Definitely, okay, chariot yan. No, na nakikita ko rito na papunta na siya sa inyo. Now, this person is soon to meet you guys. You just need to prepare right here. I'm also seeing a lot of birds in the air and definitely a castle over there. Okay? Okay, so nakita ko rito na ito na talaga yung mala fairy tale mo love story. Yan, no? And you will feel, eh, lalo na kung kayo 'to mga babes 'no, na kahit hindi kayo sumipol, lumalapit yung hangin, okay? The air right here is already messenger ni universe 'no. Ang mararamdaman na ninyo ang pagdating ng inyong one and only. That's one big sign 'no. No matter where you are, nasa city ka, nasa province ka, eh, 'pag humampas sa'yo yung air 'no, kahit hindi ka sumisipol 'no, at ito ay dumadalas, eh, like yung hampas talaga ha, eh, ng hangin 'no. So nakita ko dito na ito ay strong sign or clue na ang person mo ay paparating na, arriving na sa'yo. And hindi ka rito dinadaya 'no, deception, justice right here, hindi ka dinadaya ng inyo ritong pakiramdam, ng inyong intuition because your person is definitely coming. You've manifested this person here with the magician energy, and whoever this energy is, I'm picking up that this is something here you truly wanted. Look at that. Look at your face. Okay? This is more than what I expect na minamanifest ko. And kung sino man ito, no, you will definitely have a whole new world with this person here, no? Yan, no? A whole new world, diba? Kung sino man 'to 'no, pansinin mo 'no, the wings behind this person here, see? Yan ang padala. The chariot, the pumpkins right here, and the wings 'no, those are transportations na isa sa pinakamalakas na clue na ang taong ito ay galing at padala ng Panginoon or ni universe sa'yo. See? Wow! I love it. And you know, kung sino man tong person na to, no, this one's really different from you. This person might different sa iyong language, speaking multilingual, no? Parang ganun, no? Multiple languages right here. Okay? Or this person right here is someone who has a different background. Maybe he or she was born in a different race, ethnicity. Okay? Or maybe this person right here is someone who came from a different type of family. Okay, but I'm seeing that despite of all these differences, you are welcome into his or her world. So the karmic partner over here, okay, in time, makakalimutan mo na rin siya. Okay? Time heal all wounds, including the past traumas, pati yung galit, okay, it will all fade naturally. Okay? And then there's this pahabol message right here. You will bump into this karmic partner of yours. Okay? And this karmic partner of yours, no, bump lang, magkikita lang kayo sa mata, no, no talk, okay, wala. But this person right here, paglampas mo sa kanya, lilingunin ka niya. Okay? At ini-expect niya na lilingon ka rin, pero wala. Hindi ka lilingon. You know? Hindi ka lilingon dito. Okay, alam ko hinihintay ito ng lahat. So for the initials right here might be part of your letters or might be the initials of this person's name right here. Middle name, first name, surname right here, no? Or you know, just part of his or her name. Okay, jot this down kasi marami-rami ito. We have here letter H, also have here the letter T. Andito din ang letter A of course, no? And if there's A, I'm seeing no more than number 3 or 3 numbers ang letter A niya sa pangalan. Kaya naman, just take how this resonates, no? Let's continue. We also have here the letter S. Nandito din ang letter R. And nandito din ang letter V. Yan, no? As in victory V, mga babes, no? And last but not the least, we have here the letter J, 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 J. So, yeah, mga babes na. And also, we have here numbers. So, I'm picking up number 5. And we also have here number 6. 5 is that type of spiritual number talking about change. And 6 is talking about here soul. Okay? It's like kindred souls, no, meeting of two souls right here, no, destined to be with each other. So definitely your soulmate is arriving just on time here for you, guys. So thank you so much again. I'm Yuriana Uni, Sarang Hiya, Love and Light. Happy Sunday. Annyeong!